Hello everyone, welcome back to another Databricks session. This session I'm continuing the topics on Databricks platform architecture. Previous session we covered many points like virtual network, gateway, then peering, so many things. So now let's talk about network controller. A network controller, also known as network management controller or network management system, is a software or hardware device that provides centralized management and control of a computer network. Why it is important? So we don't need to learn in depth of network controller, but as a platform architect, you should know the concept and why it is required. So let's jump into primary functions of network controller. Network monitoring. So network controller continuously monitors the network infrastructure, including devices, links, and traffic, to identify any issues or anomalies. This helps in proactive troubleshooting and performance optimization. Configuration management allows administrators to centrally manage and configure network devices such as routers, switches, firewalls, and access points. This includes tasks like firmware updates, policy enforcement, and network wide configuration changes. Security management helps in implementing and enforcing network security policies such as access control, firewall rules, and intrusion detection prevention systems. It can also provide visibility into network traffic to identify potential security threats. Next comes performance management. It collects and analyzes network performance data such as bandwidth utilization, latency, and packet loss to identify bottlenecks and optimize network performance. Obviously, troubleshooting and diagnostics is very important part of overall management. So it can assist in identifying and resolving network issues by providing tools for network troubleshooting, diagnostics, and event logging. Now, let's talk about components. What are the main components of network controller? Azure Network Control consists of several key components that work together to provide a centralized, programmable point of automation for managing virtual network infrastructure. So, northbound API. This API allows management applications to communicate with the network controller, which is implemented as REST interface. The next is southbound API. So the first one is allowing management application to communicate with the network controller. This one allows the network controller to communicate with and manage network devices, services, and components. It gathers all the necessary information about the network and ensures that any configuration drift from the desired state is remediated. Virtual network management. This feature allows the deployment and configuration of Hyper-V network virtualization, configuration of virtual network adapters on individual VMs, and storage and distribution of virtual network policies. Firewall management. This feature enables the configuration and management of allow or deny firewall access control rules for both internal and external network traffic in the data center. Software load balancer. We understood what is the load balancer before, right? So just refresh that in the mind. The network controller manages the software load balancer, which distributes network traffic across multiple servers to improve application availability and responsiveness. RAS gateway management. This feature allows management of the RAS gateway, which provides site to site VPN, point to site VPN, and forwarding for GRE tunnels. So these are the high level details you required before going in depth of Azure Databricks platform architecture. If you are interested into going in depth of these points, then please refer the Microsoft document. I'll give the documentation down below. All right. So other things I need to talk today. I just kept it as very small session, which will help you to focus only on one topic at a time. And next session, I come with a different networking concept. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
If you would like to receive more such videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to connect with me, I have provided my details here, my email and LinkedIn. So thank you very much.